Hello friends, welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Join me in this practice to boost qi flow and to lubricate the joints to relieve stiffness from the body. Now let's get started. We will begin. Stand feet hip width or slightly wider. Relax the whole body. And then we're going to bring up that happy bouncing. Bend the knees slightly, move the knees up and down. Find the most comfortable vibration in the body. Breathe naturally. You might swing your arms forward and back. Synchronize the movement with the knee. Then bring the arms up. Let your wrists dangle. If you notice any tension in the neck and shoulder, as you breathe out, let go of the tension. Let's do it together. Inhale through the nose and open mouth. Exhale. Sigh it out. One more. And lower the arms. Swing side to side. Notice the gentle twist through the spine. When we practice Qigong, it is very important to wear comfortable clothes. Loose and comfortable. I really like this outfit from Slightly Buddha. Slightly Buddha. I like the name. There's a link and discount code below if you're interested. Releasing tension. Releasing stress. And come back to center. Make a fist. Bring the fist up. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round your spine, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone, bring the arms closer. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. This is the spinal cord breathing. It's a wonderful way to relieve any tension, stiffness along the spine. Notice the way the joints in your spine moves. How they articulate in sequential, allowing each one to move into the next. When we round this time, have the forearms to touch, elbows to touch, wiggle your hips. Side to side. And then lift up, open the chest. Each time you arch up, stimulating the qi flow through the energy channel along the front and center. And each time you round forward, pumping qi flow in the governing channel of the body, also stimulating the Mingmen, the door of life point. One more. Slowly rise. Release the arms down. Shrug the shoulders up and back. And then extend the arms out, gathering energy in front of you. From here, bring your hands near your waist and send them back. Spiral your arms, reach the arms back, fingers stretching. Repeat. Slightly bend the knees. Gather energy in front of you. This is spread the feathers. Release any tightness in the arms. Now when we stand up this time, draw your chin to the left shoulder. Slowly roll the head to the back of the shoulder. And then forward to the front of the shoulder. Mindful movement. Keep stretching through the fingers. And then bring the chin through front and to the right side. Rock your chin back and forth in a slow movement. And release, come back, gathering energy from the front and goes back. This time, the back of the hands facing forward. From here, make a fist. Now turn your fist in towards your waist and then bring them forward. Spiral your arms in a different direction. Open your hands and lengthening through the arms. Now we're stretching the inside of the arms. Back of the hands facing forward. Make a fist. Bend the knees. Spiral your arms. Extend the arms straight. Let's do one more. Turn the back of the hands facing forward. Make a fist. Rotate your fist. This rotation through the arms. Stand tall. Spread the feathers. Stretch through the fingers. Turn the head to the left. Gently rotate your neck across the shoulder. Feel how this opens the front of the neck into your jaw. Mindfully turn the chin back to center and to the second side. Rock the neck forward and back over the shoulder. Stretch through your fingers as the neck moves. Mindfully bring the chin back to center. Bring the arms back, gathering energy. And stand up straight. Release the hands to your sides to the Taoist Wuji posture. Knees are slightly bent. Send your hips slightly back. Armpit open. Elbows goes out slightly. In this posture, we serve as the conduit between the rising forces from the earth and the descending forces from the heavens, and marry these forces within. Feeling centered and grounded, feel the oneness with the universe. Blink your eyes open. Lift the right elbow up. Stretch it up towards the ceiling. And think you're using the back of the wrist to comb your hair. And second side, alternate the arms. Exaggerate this movement. This is a full body tension release. Notice the release, the stretch over the pelvis, the obliques. We're stimulating the gallbladder meridian, which travels along the lateral side of the body. 2 more on each side. Last one. Come back to neutral. The next movement is white crane, leaving the nest. Cross the arms in front of your chest. Inhale, arms rise, back of the hands to touch. And exhale, fold forward, arms across your shin. Inhale, rise, back of the hands to touch. And then flop your wings, go back down to the water. Visualize those graceful, beautiful birds. This is the nature's version of ballet. Or perhaps ballet was inspired by those graceful, beautiful birds. And in QiGong, there are many movements are named after the white crane. Just mobilize the whole body, building strength for the lower legs. Always move at your own pace. Last two. Release the arms to your sides. And interlace the fingers. Form your hands into a fist. Knock on the tien point that is in the center of the chest. We do 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here, press the hands forward. Continue, go up. Press the palms towards the sky. Inhale. Exhale, stretch to the left. Slowly back to center. Then stretch to the second side. Back to center. Move the hands forward. We're going to repeat the knocking of the tien, delays aging. Tien is considered the sea of qi in the outward body. It's a powerful point along the conception channel. It regulates qi flow in the chest. It opens the lungs, calming the heart, and balancing emotions. Now press the hands forward, move the arms up. Try to bring the arms behind your ears. From here, keep the hips facing forward. Breathe in. As you breathe out, rotate your torso to the left. Hips facing forward, finding the twist and rotation through your spine. Slowly back to center as you inhale. Exhale, twist to the second side. Inhale, return. Exhale, bring your hands down. Knock on tien. One more set of 9. Very good. Interlace the fingers, rub your palms. And massage your face 9 times. And massage your ears, every part of the ears. You want to make your ears become nice and warm and toasty. Our ears mirrors our entire body. It's the hologram of the body. Many corresponding points corresponds with the organs and the systems. So massage your ears often. To nourish the overall health. Then cup your head, cup, back, and your neck. Notice how good you're feeling. And release your hands to your heart. Thank you, friends, for practicing with me. Let me know how you like the sequence. Leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.